Hey, how's it going? This is Chermax over here at Chasseldine Tire in California, Maryland, and we're going to go ahead and do a sound check of before the 2010 Chevy Camaro SS, aka Bruja Roja, gets her new Flowmaster American Thunder exhaust. Yeah, go ahead and hit it. This is the before sound. Alright, and we'll see you here in a while. Yeah, this is the sheer amount of piping subcats that are going to be coming off of this baby here. And this is the main connection point right here. Hey, how you doing? This is Chermax again. Hey, I just got back the car tonight from picking it up at the auto shop, and we're going to go ahead and see how the new Flowmaster American Thunder sound on my 2010 Camaro SS. So let's start it up and give it a shot.